everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day. Today's word is isti. Isti. Isti can mean hot or warm. Let's see some phrases. Hot tea, warm day, warm clothing. Isti chai, chai is tea. Warm day, isti gün. Day is a gün. It comes from the word güneş gün. So, warm clothing, isti geyim. See how I wrote isti? That's the official writing. Now, spoken language, you gotta say T. This consonant turns into its counterpart D. Remember, there's voiced and voiceless consonants in Azerbaijani. So it turns into its counterpart T, turns into D. İSTİ. All right? Let's see some sentences. Bugün hava istidir. The weather is hot today. Bugün, today, hava, the weather. İstidir is hot. Bugün hava istidir. Let's see another sentence. İsti çay ve paxlava. Bundan daha yaxşı ne olabilir? Hot tea and baklava. What can be better than this? İsti çay, hot tea. Baklava, Azerbaijanis call baklava paxlava, and it's made differently. It's worth trying. What can be better than this? What, ne, olabilir, can be. Daha yaxşı, better. Bundan, from this basically, than this. Bundan daha yaxşı ne olabilir? All right? That was today's word, isti. Remember I said bundan daha yaxşı ne olabilir? What can be better than this? Maybe this can be, or as good as this, or maybe better than this for some. It's isti chocolate season. It is. Thanks so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterofjane.com for more. Cheers.